Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Worx WX572L 5.5 amp BladeRunner Portable Electric Table Saw. The Worx WX572L BladeRunner stands out in the crowded portable worksite table saw market. Its capacity to be both powerful and portable makes it one of the most useful table saws if you keep realistic expectations in mind. These hybrid table saws sport exceptional mobility due to their small size and low weight. Though little in stature, there is no lack of power. Right off the bat, the saw's 5.5 amp motor dispels any doubts about its cutting ability, making quick work of even the hardest woods. This showcases it as a versatile tool that can replace bulkier table saws in many situations. As opposed to most portable table saws, this one is very affordable, too. What's more, like most table saws, the BladeRunner is not limited to working with wood alone. Moving on at number 4, we have the DEWALT Table Saw. The DWE 7485 Table Saw is just the latest example of why DEWALT is widely regarded as producing high-quality power tools. The powerful 15-amp motor, along with safeguards such as the pinion fence system, allows it to deal with the toughest materials safely. Due to its strength and the accuracy of its 8-1/4-inch blade, it can cut through anything from sturdy hardwoods to thin laminates with ease and precision. Table saw portability is a common worry, especially among professionals who must frequently switch between locations. DEWALT does an excellent job at solving this problem. Its robust structure also guarantees it will last through the rough treatment it will receive on busy building sites every day. Meanwhile, the intuitive layout, user-friendly blade adjustments, legible measuring scales, and reliable safety features make it a pleasure to use, even for lengthy periods of time. This makes it not only a potent tool but also an easy one to use, suitable for both seasoned professionals and people just starting in this field. At number 3, we have the Skil 15-amp 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw. There are a lot of table saws out there, but the Skil TS630700 is one of the few that manages to strike a good balance between mobility and performance. This quality table is ideal for skilled workers who value productivity without the constraints of a permanent workshop. The 10-inch blade, coupled with the 15-amp motor, can easily cut through many different materials, and its precision is sure to be appreciated by both professionals and DIYers. The ingenuity of the stand's design makes it simple to pack away and quick to assemble in new locations. The stand is strong, offering a stable basis for your work, and yet it folds easily, embodying all the desirable qualities of a portable worksite table saw. As explained by one seasoned user, it is really quite light, and yet it is very stable. Changing the blade's height or angle is simple, so there's little pause in productivity when switching between jobs. At number 2, we have the Rockwell BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. If you're short on storage space yet don't want to sacrifice accuracy when cutting, the Rockwell RK7323 and RW9266 combo is a rare find among portable table saws. Its sturdy construction is immediately apparent despite the small size of this tool. Its steel rip fence and miter gauge ensure precise results every time, regardless of the material being cut. Rockwell's dedication to giving value is demonstrated by the inclusion of 7 accessories. The saw's versatility is enhanced by the further assortment of attachments available for it. The RW9266, however, is the real showstopper for this combo. With this improvement, even the most complicated crosscuts and miter cuts become child's play, especially for beginners. With the sled's effortless motion and steady support, you can make precise cuts time and time again. Customers praised the low price point of this battery-powered product, and one wrote, "For the price I paid, I am very happy with the functionality this saw has added to my shop and think it is best to approach it with reasonable expectations for what it is. And finally at number 1, we have the TUFFIOM's 10-inch portable table saw. It's commonly thought that a cheaper table saw will deliver inferior results. TUFFIOM's 10-inch portable table saw, which boasts impressive performance for its low price, puts this assumption to the test. With a claimed 5,000 RPM, it's evident that TUFFIOM spared no expense in the power department. The 60T blade is a nice bonus, allowing you to make precise cuts with minimum effort. The saw has an impressively wide cutting capacity, from a 90 degrees crosscut to a 0 degrees bevel cut. The blade's height can be adjusted, which is a nice touch for working with a variety of materials and depths of cut. The included stand and push stick are simple but practical, which is consistent with the product's overall value proposition. They are efficient in their work and don't waste time. This table saw is a great option for budget-friendly shoppers who don't want to skimp on the essentials, and is proof that you can get high-quality woodwork without breaking the bank. One customer helpfully explained, it's a small base, but can be adjusted by adding a wood base. Should be first thing you build, a powerful motor and all the bells and whistles you want. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.